Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with another fall makeup tutorial video for you all. I'm coming to you with a bare face, yes, but we're just gonna speed through that. Fall is my favorite season. I love the fall looks, I love fall makeup, and my friend Jasmine actually got me this palette for my birthday. It's the Morphe 24G Grand Glam palette. So I've already created a look with this palette. So I've already created a brown fall look, but as you can see, there's some other yellow, reddish, pinkish tones. So I want to use those colors to create a fall look to share with you all today. But before we get into this video, if you haven't already, take one quick second, go down below and click that subscribe button. And once you do that, that bell notification button is going to pop up. Click that so that you never miss an upload. Join the club. Ew. All right, y'all, let's get into this video. So I've already been to work today. I haven't worn any makeup. My skin is prepped. So I'm just gonna speed through my whole prepping process because we're really here for the eyes, okay? We're really here for the eyes. I have I have a few videos on my channel about foundation and how I prep my face and all that jazz. And I even did a video where I did Jackie Ina's foundation routine. That's the best. So I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I'm not even gonna put on primer because where am I going? Nowhere. And I do have a video on how I do my brows on my channel as well, just in case you want to know. Even though it seems like the consensus on YouTube is nobody cares about brows anymore. Face is done. Now we're going to get into these eyes. All right, so we are going for a orangey, coppery yellow look. So I'm gonna use this color Brassy right here. I'm gonna use Brassy and put that above my crease as my transition color. So I'm gonna stamp that. Ooh, this is pigmented. Yes, don't need to add any more color. I think I did my brush in it like twice. That's it. Wow, was not expecting that pigment. I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush. Use this one from It's My Ray Ray. Actually need to clean it off a little bit. And I'm going to go into Glitz, which is this matte pink color here. And I'm gonna buff that on the outside of Brassy to soften it and diffuse it, and just to add another dimension of color. And making sure I keep Brassy in there. All right, so there's this pretty shimmer in here called Sunshiny. Oop. Sunshiny right here. That is beautiful. That nice rust orange. My camera would focus. There we go. Let's see how it swatches. That's a nice color. That's a good swipe. I think I'm going to spray my brush just to get a little more shimmer. All right, I'm gonna pop that onto my lid. And I'm putting this all over my lid to carve out the shape of my lid. And the more you layer it, it's like the more intense it gets. If this is not saying fall, honey, I don't know what will. Oh man, I love that. That is beautiful. I'm going to use Brownie right here. And I think I'm gonna mix it with Baked too. So Brownie on this end. So Brownie on this end, and then Baked on this end. I'm gonna take this fuller blending brush, get a little bit of both of those colors, and just put that on the outer portion and sweep it in using a light hand. And then I'm gonna go into this color Mooch right here above Sunshiny, and I'm gonna put that on top to warm it back up. And I'm not adding any more product, just sweeping these colors into my crease. Honey, All right, now we're gonna go for Tear Duct highlight. I'm going to layer, so there's two colors, Crystal and Creamer. So Crystal is the shimmery color and Creamer is the matte. I'm going to use Creamer as the base in my inner corner, and now Crystal is going to go right on top of that. I'm gonna bring it up onto my lid just slightly, in the inner portion of my lid. I like how those two colors blend together. All right, on my lower lash line, I'm gonna use that color Brassy that I use in my transition, stamping that underneath there. And then I'm going into Glitz, that pink that we use, and smudging those out. All right, now I'm going to use a brown liner to line my top lashes as well as my waterline. Do they make liquid brown pencils? And we're not doing a wing, just a line. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes with some mascara. I don't think I'm gonna do lashes today. We're just gonna layer on the mascara. And to really layer on your mascara, you wanna put some on the front side of your lashes as well as the back. And when you're doing the back side, be gentle because you don't want to get mascara on your lid that you just worked so hard on. And I like to sweep it on the whole lash line and then go through and separate. From root to tip. Wiggle it up from root to tip on the front and the back. When you go on the back, you can kind of roll it up like so without poking yourself in the eye, and then go through and separate everything. And then bottom lash line, of course. All right, we're gonna do highlight. We'll use the one from the Black Radiance contour palette, you know, because it's fall and we don't have that typical summer glow, especially not where I'm living. So, you know, just a little remainder of summer. A little ode to summer on your face. See, for blush, I'm gonna go back into the shadow palette for the blush and use one of these colors. I think I want to use a mix of Flirty and Brassy. So there's Flirty, and then and then Brassy is the color that we already used on the lid. Right here, Brassy, Flirty. That Flirty will kind of tone Brassy down. Just gonna stay with the pink orange. This is so beautiful. I love that I can use these shadows for multiple purposes. Like I could highlight, contour, bronze, blush, as you can see. All right, now onto the lips. Of course, we are going to line. We might even overline. That's my new thing now, thanks to Jackiana. See, I just go slightly above my natural lip line. This look deserves a pinky nude, so I'm using the Rosy Ray liquid lipstick. Then I'm gonna take this lipstick called Pink Sugar, and I'm gonna put that in the center, using that as a highlight for my lips. Then I'm gonna use this lip gloss called Brillo de Labios. Oh, I just read it in Spanish. I'm gonna use this lip gloss from Laugh Out Loud called Lilas. And last but not least, I'm not gonna set my face. I'm gonna use my rose toner from Thayer's, and then press that in. Cause like I said, I'm not going anywhere. So I'm about to be walking around the house looking cute. But you never know, I might wind up going somewhere now that I got a face on. And there you have it. We have this nice orange, pink, peachy fall look using the Morphe Grand Glam palette. And it's colorful and subtle, but still vibrant. It reminds me of like the fall leaves. Oh my gosh, love it. That's it for today's video, beauties. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.